everyone! Is your iPhone stuck on a cloud activation lock links or locked to owners? How do you fix it without doing a jailbreaks with the help of PC or laptops? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations, so don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial, guys, here. And without touching on this device, I will show you that how you easily go the inside to create a new ID and password. Now we can see this is locked to owner and this device came to my shop at the morning time today, but right now I'm fixing. So here we can see activation lock prevents anyone who is not the owner from using device because of this is locked to owner. What happens? As we know that when you have to purchase a second-hand device and the previous owner who has erased everything, so then it will stack on there. Sometimes maybe blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode, reported device, or maybe you have gotten an errors, or sometimes when you have attempted multiple times a screen wrong passcode, Face ID, Touch ID is not recognized, time screen passcode entered wrong. So in that condition, we will hit select here. We will open especially in each situation if we are having this problem, then we will open a blob saver, we will go for edit, and when we will go for edit, then see got it. Now specify IP announce included all the versions included the betas, and we will go for edit. So now it will try to reaccumulate all the data from cloud database and the Apple database. It will fast, and then we'll go inside to delete one by one, and after deleting we will come with especially new iOS that I will show you. See slowly, especially step by step, watch it, and then go for execution the proper way. Easily you can fix, and it will build your confidence that not only below the 10x, yes, or below accessories iPhones, you can fix multiple devices in a day, especially no one, the shopkeeper can't help with this kind of status. Now successfully got API announced, we can see here. So what we will do, guys, here we will click on a toolbox because the 3U tool automatically it has been open, so no problem at all. Just we will go the inside, and now see here. Just we will click on this crash analysis, and then we will go the inside. Now see whatever the data that we had accumulated that we will delete. So these all file have been deleted. Now we will come on here and look at on this succeed. Just we will close this, and now we are on here. We'll go on a real-time logs. We will clear 8 list 20 times, guys, here. So keep clearing. Let's continue this, and now it has started to fetch. Just to keep clearing at least 20 times. Why we will clear these real-time logs? Maybe we have logged, or yes, the customer logged, browsed with particular this area, and that's why, as facial I mentioned, there is a Safari and due to that it can be a retainer some bug and the viruses as well as information, and due to that maybe chances to have the linked guys. So keep clearing at least 20 times, so we will have to clear. So now see almost white screen is coming on it. Just we will come on here. Third tool that we will have to use on blob. So but yes, iTunes will be installed. Yes, and while execution of iTunes, especially here, we will have to close it. They select iTunes off. There should be no SIM card while doing these all things, guys, fans. Now we will go on here, and we can see this is a device that has been connected. Just we will come on here, show device console options, and we will clear. At least 20 times we will have to clear. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll refresh, guys, so that refresh data would be attracted to the clears the fines, and now it will interrupt again and again that this is Apple ID and that may be a link to that. No problem at all. Keep clearing at least 20 times, guys. Yeah. Keep clearing. Whatever the cloud data retained or reaccumulated on it, that I'm trying to declare by the console clearing. So clear. On the other hand, we have a 3U tool. 3U tool, there is REC mode without making delays now. So we will clear and keep clearing this. So see white screen is coming. So we have to finish this task from by special or by using this tools. Now we would be here. click on a smart flash option. A smart flash option there, we will go in a firmware options and we will select the appropriate model number here. In model number selection of this is maybe a 10 series. So now here is the latest one, 902. This is a firmware that has been recommended at the corner of last one. Either we can download or import it. So here is option one to downloads. So we will select the here download. Sorry, on a easy flash, there is options to download and import both. We will refresh, and then guys, here what we will do, just we will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, don't select the anti-recovery, don't select the fixed flash. Just we have to select a quick flash mode, select the local firmware imports, and we will tap on here. We had already, after downloading, kept on especially this hard disk. So just we will select these ones, and both are similar, 9292. And of course we will go for without making delay, without selections anything, just we will go the inside of it. Now we will see, we will wait here 5 to 10 minutes and complete, let it complete. If there is any error, then we will troubleshoot it. So don't skip. While a flashing process, your device can be restarted multiple times. So please logged with especially selected this iTunes. There should be a logged iTunes, close iTunes options. Otherwise, iTunes will interrupt, open and open again and again and interrupt, and it will give you disturbance here and chances to have more error. Your PC, where we will have to execute your laptops by using, there shouldn't be any movement of your device or PC. And yes, internet connection should be always, you should have an extra, so that if suddenly any error comes, then due to not a cloud configuration is going to be especially have a good than that condition. So of course there may be chances to have the error, and then 3U tool is totally functioning on the basis of whatever internet connection that you have provided with the clearance of cloud database and the database. So internet should be connected, and you should have the second internet connection, because there will be no chances to have the error. If any error comes within a 1 minute, we will change the internet connection, and then it will be a continuum. And one thing that I repeat, while the flashing process, your device can restart multiple times, guys. So don't unplug the device, don't disconnect the device, guys. Otherwise, if you disconnect, then it will, yes, stack on Apple logo. And if it stack on Apple logo, then what will happen, you know very well. Whole procedure you will have to repeat, guys. So in that condition, you will have the problem. The problem is that, yes, it will take a much more time. So when you have a half an hour, guys, then do it. I'm extremely exhausted by speaking it, guys. In a day, today, actually, 4 devices I have unlocked, and this is a fifth one, so that I'm trying to, especially this is a 10 series, but more than especially, I mean, above the 10 series, 2 3 devices I have the fixed. So do a similar strategy and the blindly go with this just to see the results. The firstly try to scan also that hardware and the software. If the hardware condition of any iPhones and that is okay, then go with that. So how do you scan of the hardware, that what are the, yes, component of iPhones and that has been replaced or repaired? How would you find out in that tutorial? I will give you a link below the description box. There would be easily scan it and then go with. So there is no hardware the problem on it, guys. So just I'm trying to go with the especially now software issues. So let's see all the related of the software issues, iOS, MacBooks, laptop, PC, operating systems, and Gmails. Yes, these all we have been trying to fix by a new strategy, new techniques, how to exactly use it. That's a very crucial important thing. So don't forget to join these channels for the further update, guys. Now we have to cross the 45%. We will see the results of what's going to be because of 2 3 crucial steps that we will execute at the end of this tutorial, and nothing much more remaining. But suddenly any error comes, then we will have to troubleshoot of that thing also. That's why, in my opinion, you shouldn't, yes, skip this tutorial. Yes, almost 9 10 minutes we spent. So further 5 minutes we will take, and this device will be completely fixed, guys. One thing more also I would like to add here. This firmware can be downloaded that I have iOS that I have downloaded. You can go on a website that is a www.3u.com, and sometimes also you can, if server is not good from these sites, and then of course you can go on a Apple itself. Sometimes go on a ipsw.beta.com, ipsw.coms, ipsw.me.coms, and directly sometimes by using this tools also you can download. So almost a 50% is we have the completed, guys, here. And let's see what's going to happen. These sending the object and these kind of things, so this can be seen in the jumping order, sometimes this can be seen in the descending order, sometimes this can be seen in a ascending order. It's totally dependent on the how many times it's going to be the reboot. So now we will deselect it because it has touched 50%. So now further we will see the what kind of the issues is coming. And here I think so at all it is a crystal clear, but when you will have any confusion and the query, then drop the query in the comment box. Yes, the pleasure would be managed to reply your query quickly and we will respond you. But if the communication is beyond of you, then that condition, yes, give me a screenshot by email. So of course we will reply quickly, and we will not quickly reply, we will troubleshoot together if we will have a time, guys. Yeah. And don't forget to join this community, guys, otherwise of course definitely you will regret that. Now see here that we have the rest on 56% and the sending the baseband data, so we are waiting for especially now further. In a day, especially multiple devices have been the lockings, and according to the requirements of the customer who comes, and the customer told me they kept this device at his home for 5 months especially. So let's see now what's going to happen here. This is old iOS, guys. I'm in the 16 iOS, so definitely this would be a completely wipe out or permanently. Yes, nothing would be written on it. And also, without going for the initial step, initial setups, we will go the inside to yes, create a new apply. So now see here that we are on a, but so this is only for institution purpose, education purpose. So don't misuse it, guys. Yeah. Now we are on a 71% fines. We are waiting. But here we have the clause, here's more than 80%, so we are waiting here. Now see, each second is our table in front of you guys. Data cable has been connected, this device has been here, and now almost we are waiting from, I mean, for 5 minutes. Let's see what's going to happen. Now 22 or especially 28% is remaining to the completed. We have to do nothing when you troubleshoot these things. Yes, you will have to wait till it's not notifying the any errors, but since there is no any error, it's congratulated that it has completed. So what we will do now further, we'll tap on a toolbox, we will wait for the batch activation. Batch activation feature has been provided by 3U tool by free of course to access, to escape the setting of the regional language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, guys, everything can be escaped quickly. Yes, within 30 seconds when it has been highlighted. So let's see what's going to happen. If here any error comes, then immediately also I will demonstrate you how do you troubleshoot of it. Now see, it has initiated and it has been highlighted, so we will select here and we will do without making delay selection all and go for it. Now here any error comes, guys, suppose activating part error, sometimes skipping parts out of one, any error comes, then immediately we will change the internet connection that I had already mentioned to you, that you should have a second internet connection for emergency purpose, and that internet connection we will connect with the PC and then we will go for execution. It's surely this would be fixed. Sometimes if however in the rest of rare case if any error comes in that condition, what will happen, guys, we will have to customize the precise location by creating virtual private network on your PC. Suppose this phone belongs to Hong Kong, so we will have to provide the Hong Kong's precise location of your PC, and the both would be similar, so there will be no chances to have any cloud DNS configuration and Apple data DNS configuration error. So both would be succeed, but blobs were successfully rendered, accumulated, and cleared by using 3 tools, so no chances to have especially any errors. But I hope see what's going to happen. It is a taking so 2 to 3 minutes that can be expected, sometimes quickly within 1 minute it will be give you uh, it gives you result. But right now, see, within 1 minute, it doesn't give us especially right now results. But we will have to wait here, guys. Yes, wait till it will notify you that this part is error or not. If this part or any parts will comes errors, and then we will troubleshoot, but there is no guys. See, now directly we come on the hello screen, and here we'll have to unbind the Apple ID. So we will go for here, and now that we can see here, yes, we can go the inside, and now we will select the language. We will go for especially zone and the country, and now here we can see this is just we will go for the activation parts, and now that we can see this is completely succeeded, guys. Now what we will do, we will try to access iTunes, and iTunes will detect you, and after accessing a data by using iTunes, see here what's the thing, so that it is still linked to an owner or any previous owner links or not. We will see the live here, and see it has trying to the access, but when we have the provided the signal by using iTunes, it has completely gone. And we can see here, if we go inside, if we click on here, it is asking connect to the internet or the sign into your device, means there is no internet connection. But however, directly we come on here, if we click on a face ID, touch ID, everything is disabled. So fine, now we will insert the SIM card. While doing this all procedure, there should be no SIM card. Now insert the SIM card, we will go on a Space Lamp real time, restore the true locations, and now with your local SIM card with local network will be restored on this device, and this phone will be, these iPhones will be fully restored as a new one device can be operational. Now see, this is not via jailbreak method, this is permanent solutions, because of it will directly come on a home screen now, not it will come on a once again on a hello screen. With the help of jailbreak method, sometimes as we know that it's going to be stack the when rebooted, but right now it's on a home screen. See here. So hi, this is all about in this video tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and we'll be back with a step-by-step new tutorials. So don't forget to join these channels, exactly how to use it and in what way especially we will have to. Yes, on a accurate times, how would I access to fix the related to the various iOS issues. We will see live here on a step by step. So don't forget to join. So thank you, and share this content also, because of anyone who is having this kind of challenge, they can be the privilege of this information, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Bye bye.